Jumpoy, 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 jumpoy.
RJ here, 25 years old from Davao. Here's my bike, a giant TCR SL1. So it's an alloy frame with 105 components installed and it weighs around 7.8 kilos. Basic spec nito, straight talaga 105 group set, so 105 STI, except itong caliper or Tegra. This used to be a non-series na Shimano, pero I replaced it with a 105 crankset. So this is a 50-34 165mm. And then as you can see, itong pedals ko guys, I'm using MTB cleats. Yeah, it's single-sided. Tapos pinili ko to specifically because of its weight. It weighs only around 260 or 280 grams. And then I have bottle cages installed. So ang STI niya is 105. Ang cockpit niya ay integrated carbon. When it comes to the flex of the handlebar, merong flex konti, of course. Carbon is really meant to flex kasi kung walang flex, it's going to crack. So ang specs ang measurement ng cockpit ko is 100mm in length, tapos 400mm ang width. So ang wheel set, I already upgraded this. This is an Elite wheel set, Elite SLT 50. So it's a carbon wheel set, 50mm. The pair, front and rear, weighs around 1,600 grams, so 1.6 kilos. So I specifically chose 50mm. Why I chose a 50mm over a 38mm? Because I normally ride, on my free time, I ride like take-alls. And then yung sa mga take-all namin, patag lang naman. So, aero matters more than weight. So, the wheels installed on my wheel set is a Continental GP5000 front and rear. They are one of the fastest rolling tires in the market. So, 25C or 25mm. Usually ang PSI or ang hangin na pinakarga ko dyan is around 90 to 100 PSI. For my weight, 75 kilos. So, and then when it comes to the drivetrain, straight 105 pa rin. So 105 chain, 105 RD. May kinustomize din ako dito. So as you can see, itong pulley wheels. Ang pulley wheels lang ang pinalitan ko dyan. Mas malaki to, itong upper pati ang lower pulley wheels. I think it is 14P pati 16P compared sa stock ng Shimano na around 11 or 10 lang. Ang seat post is stock from Giant, so this is a composite carbon seat post from Giant. It is specifically made for the frame. Tapos itong saddle is a carbon saddle from Shopee. So regarding the frame itself, why I chose a TCR. So ang TCR is one of the most iconic road bikes. Iconic when it comes to the way they innovated the road bike frame. They are the one who introduced like a compact geometry. So TCR means total compact race, I think. All around yung geometry niya or all around yung use niya, pero it is oriented more towards climbing. Climbing performance ng TCR talaga is really good because it puts your body in a good position to climb. Madali lang talaga siya isayaw, i-handle. So the reason why I chose alloy over carbon is because I really like using my bikes every day. So I really need the peace of mind that my bikes will survive the use that it's going to be undergoing. I guess that's it. So salamat sa pakikinig. Thank you for listening. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe dito Sweet Vlogs.